Jenkins fall under continuous integration. What I will do here, whatever the developer is doing in his local machine, same thing I will repeat here. You should know how to launch a server. You means DevOps engineer. So when you know cloud, you can work as a DevOps. Again, you need to upskill. It's not like simply you have learned cloud and you are going to be DevOps. No, you need to upskill on some tools. As part of my example, I will be discussing here about few tools. Example, Jenkins. Jenkins fall under continuous integration. What I will do here, whatever the developer is doing in his local machine, same thing I will repeat here. Got it? UI developer will be developing his code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This code should be compiled. Backend developer will be working on his backend Java, Go language, .NET, Python, Node.js. This need to be compiled. Unit level testing should be done at UI level, at backend level. And the code should be, this entire code should be scanned with the help of static code analysis tools. Example, to make you understand this example, I'll give you one real example. Let's say you're traveling from Hyderabad to Mumbai through flight. In your cabin luggage, you're carrying a weapon. You're carrying a knife, small knife, 2-inch, 1-inch knife. You're passing a security gate. Will they allow you? So, what is the meaning of here? SonarQube is, this is like security check. UI developer, backend developer, they are committing their changes to version control system like GitHub. They checked in the code. You have given the baggage to the security people. They scan your baggage. If any unauthorized weapons are occurred, they remove it. They ask a reason for it. Why are you carrying it? Since you know you're not supposed to carry in the bag. Let's say somebody has kept it without knowing your notice. Then ask its explanation. If that is severity of the weapon is high, they will not allow you to onboard to the flight. They'll file a case on you until you give a justification to them. So similar way, this code, which was developer, UI and backend developer is working on their local machine, they will be committing the code to the GitHub. Now, DevOps engineer is responsible to manage this GitHub as well. One of the responsibility. Next, setting up Jenkins servers. I think it is very small. Yeah. Setting up Jenkins servers in the cloud by a DevOps engineer. What I will do here, we ask us UI developer, backend developer, whatever they do, the steps here, the same steps you will take it and you will reproduce. You will take the same steps, you do automation here. That is the reason why people are asking, do you know some scripting? Do you know some programming knowledge? Because when you take the steps from them, you should be in a position to integrate everything. You will not code, but you will compile their code. When compiling some code, you get errors. Could be module error, could be variable error, could be function error, could be class error. That you should report back to developers. If you don't report properly, these developers will have minimum of 10 plus years of experience. You are a DevOps engineer with 2 years of experience. You don't know what the error is. You're not able to tell them error. Then you are an inefficient DevOps engineer. That is the reason why in every JD they're asking scripting and programming is because of this. Not because of you need to code it. You don't need to write the logic saying that the user Sam is a user logging to the abc.com OTT platform. This you don't need to write this logic. Who will write this logic? There are dedicated people are there to write. So what as a DevOps engineer is you work very closely with the people to make automation, to create automation. That is your job. So your code will be scanned with the help of SonarQube. And as you know, every financial year, for example, if you have received some 1 million rupees by somebody, some gift you got, will you be able to pay TDS tax or will you take 10 millions?